Have you been dealing with a painful toenail that just will not get better? Maybe it started as a little tenderness or some redness at the corner of your big toe. Now it's swollen, sore to touch, and maybe even draining fluid or pus. You might find it hard to wear shoes or even walk comfortably. This is more than just a nuisance, it's likely an infected ingrown toenail, and I want you to know, you don't have to live with this pain. An ingrown toenail happens when the edge of the nail grows into the skin around it. This can happen from trimming the nail too short, wearing tight shoes, or even just the natural shape of your nail. When the nail pushes into the skin, it causes irritation. Over time, the area becomes red, swollen, and painful. Once bacteria enter that small space, infection sets in, and things can get worse quickly. Many people try warm soaks, ointments, or bandages at home. Some even try to dig out the nail themselves. But these temporary fixes rarely solve the real problem. In fact, they can sometimes make things worse, spreading infection or damaging healthy tissue. At Carolina Foot Centers, we see patients every week who say, "I wish I had come in sooner." When you come in with an infected, ingrown toenail, we begin with a careful exam. We explain exactly what is happening with your nail and discuss your options. In many cases, a simple in-office procedure can remove the part of the nail that is causing the problem, gently and precisely. We use local numbing to keep you comfortable. The entire treatment takes just minutes. There is immediate relief from pressure and pain. You can walk out the same day. For patients who have had repeated infections, we can also treat the nail root to prevent it from growing back in that corner. Most patients feel better within a day or two. We give you simple aftercare instructions and follow up as needed. There are no stitches, no long recovery, and no guessing. You will be back in shoes, back at work, and back to your life, without fear of another infection flaring up. You might be asking, is this something I really need to treat? The answer is yes, because your feet carry you through everything. If left untreated, an infected ingrown toenail can lead to worse infections, missed workdays, and chronic pain. Investing in proper care now protects your health, your mobility, and your peace of mind. And most importantly, you deserve to feel better. At Carolina Foot Centers, we treat every patient with kindness and respect. We understand life gets busy and sometimes you put your own care last. But if your toe hurts, if it keeps getting worse, or if you are just tired of dealing with it, let us help. Call us today or book an appointment online. We are here to get you out of pain and back on your feet, safely, gently, and with care you can trust.